Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I apologize about the audio issue I had. For some reason the microphone just cut off, but I still wanted to post the video and show you what the Hurley thruster looks like once you put it together. Just quick facts on it. It goes 20 miles an hour. Its range is 40 miles, about 40 miles. The full charge time is 4 hours, and it's a 36 volt, 350 watt battery. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll be trying to post more riding videos and just a couple other new bikes I have coming in. All right, peace.